Here is an interesting AI video editing tool that can entirely change the look of your video. Just like how Nano Banana works for image editing. We can't try it online yet, but the good thing is I have already released the ComfyUI version. So we can actually try it locally and see how it performs. However, I think it might struggle with more complex video editing part, which we'll definitely test in this video. And the name of the tool is Ditto, which is an instruction-based video editing tool, just like Nano Banana, but for videos. And it is trained upon Ditto 1 million dataset, which is a high quality 1 million dataset for all these kind of instruction-based video editing. And if you want to try this dataset, you can just go to this search phase and you will have this dataset and you can use this for your purpose. And talking about this AI model, it can have two kind of editing. First one is global editing. It will be like changing the entire frame of a video. And here you can see in the sample video, here was the original lady dancing, and this is the edited version of this, a lady with green flames in background, and it has changed the entire video. And here is another sample where it has changed multiple people into sculptures of white, and yeah, it really works well. And here is a few other samples of changing the style of video. And next one is like local editing. Local editing means like we can edit a smaller part of the video rather than changing the entire video. And here are a few samples. First one is like you can see this lamp over here, which is added. And next one is like this adding aurora in this video. Here you can see. And next one is like changing this upper top of this lady. Dress is same as you can see. This only dress is changed. And here are a few other samples if you want to have a look. For running this locally, I'm assuming you have already installed ComfyUI in your system, and you have to come to this GitHub repo. Link will be of course in the description below. And then just you have to download these models. Like you just click over here and just click on the download over here. And then once it completes download, to download all these. Once you are done downloading these models, you just have to go to the ComfyUI where you have installed it. Once you have downloaded all these models, you have to just move these models over here. So just go to the directory where you have installed ComfyUI and then models. And then based on the name mentioned here, like this will go in diffusion models. So just move it to diffusion models. Similarly, this to LoRa, and this for this, like you have to just go to VE and then one. So just go to one and then create a new folder one. And then just copy paste this model over here. I prefer to just move it here. And then you have to download Ditto models either from Google Drive or Hugging Face. I will prefer Hugging Face. And then just download all these three models and then just paste these models in diffusion directory. And if you don't want all these hassle, here I have also created a bash script file. Also just open ChatGPT and copy paste it and just say like where you have installed the path. I mean ComfyUI path, and then just mention the OS that you are using, either Windows or Linux or anything, and you'll be good to go. Once you open ComfyUI, just drag and drop this workflow, and of course it will be showing you some missing nodes. Just cancel this, and after that go to ComfyUI Manager and click on this install missing custom nodes. Wait for a while and it will show you all these missing nodes. Click over here, select all these and click install over here. Once all these are installed, just click on the restart button and yeah, you will be good to go then. So here none of the node is highlighted in red, meaning we have installed all the missing custom nodes. And after that, you have to just go over here and here we have to upload the video source. Here I have uploaded a stock video footage. Once we are done with this, we can just come to here and we have to write a prompt about what we want to read over here. If you are just trying, you can just scroll over here and then just copy one from here. This is like taste for tasting purpose. Just copy from there and paste it over here and then hit the run button. This will of course take time. And here is the video it has edited and here is the video it has generated. So let's try a few other styles also. If you want to make this run faster and you have good enough amount of VRAM in GPU, you can just make this force upload to false. After testing this AI video editing tool for a while, here is what I found. It is shockingly good at changing the video styles. You can turn your clips into animation or pixel art or any creative look you want, and it actually works really well. But here is the catch. When it comes to the complex edits, like changing the person's clothes, it starts to struggle. For example, I tried changing the outfit of a lady, and instead of just that, it ended up changing the entire scene, and it just changed the color of outfit. So I think this model is much better for full frame style changes, which they call the global edits rather than detailed object edits. Or maybe this is because I use quantized version. Either way, it is still super impressive for what it can already do. It's not yet Nano Banana of video editing, but it is definitely a strong step in that direction. If you found this video interesting, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.
This week is packed with game-changing AI tools.
I will keep saying my synthetic testing and soon I drop a massive opinion comparing it and the Sora to Quantum to OV and a few other AI video generators, all tested on same clips. So with that subscribe button and stay tuned. See you soon. Bye.